We thank you for buying Vaishnu Headlight Wiring Kit. In this particular video, we will take you through the installation process for the H4 bulb fitment wiring kit. To begin with, we will take you through the unboxing of the product. Once you open the box, you will find the Vaishnu H4 wiring kit along with 5 cable ties and a wiring installation guide chart. The wiring kit includes 2 H4 connectors in bakelite body which are melt proof and carry a lifetime warranty. 165 amperes relay which has the capacity to withstand 800 watts current load. 2 high quality fuse holders with 30 amperes fuses. The complete wiring kit is in 100% Phenolix cables. Like this product, all Vaishnu products carry a 1-year warranty. Each product is manually checked before dispatch to ensure you receive only genuine products. The inspection date can be found on the side of the relay. For warranty registration, you can visit our website mentioned below. The installation will be carried out on a Chevrolet Cruze 2016 model, which has H4 bulb fitment for the headlights. First, we will have to find a suitable place to mount the relay and securely fix it. Moving on to the headlight near the battery, unplug the factory-fitted bulb holder and insert the male coupler of the wiring harness into it. After this is done, insert the wiring harness bulb holder into the bulb terminals. Once the bulb holder is connected, find a suitable place to ground this black cable from the bulb holder. It can be either connected to a bolt with proper earthing or the battery negative terminal, since it's close by. Moving on to the other side of the car, remove the factory-fitted bulb holder and install the second bulb holder of the wiring harness. Like it was done previously, ground the negative cable from the bulb holder to a bolt nearby on this side too. The bulb holder removed from the headlight on this side will stay loose as it is. It is to be left open. Now coming over to the red cable. Connect it to the positive terminal of the battery. To finish the installation, tie the extra cables away from the engine using the zip ties received along the product. This will ensure safety. If not done, the engine might burn the cables when running hot. With that done, installation is all complete. It's time to check the headlights. Switch between high and low beams to check it's working fine. We will now address a few common problems that users face while installing and their solutions. Problem number 1. One side bulb of the headlights is glowing dim. Solution: recheck the earth cable that was to be grounded. Any loose connection will make the bulb on that side glow dim. Problem number 2. We do not want to cut through the center of the rubber cap to connect, as it will expose the headlight to dust and water. Solution: in case of rubber caps, make a slight cut at the bottom, which will be flexible. This will ensure that the cables can pass through and provide protection from dust and water at the same time. Question number 3. Does it void the warranty of our car if we install this headlight wiring kit? Answer: This wiring kit is all plug and play setup, as you have seen in our entire installation process. Any warranty gets void if there is any cutting of wires involved. Since the wiring kit doesn't require cutting of wires, the warranty stays intact. In case you want to take your night ride experience to a whole new level, check out the Vaishnu high power fog lights with high and low beam feature. For any more queries, you can contact our customer support number mentioned on the screen or visit our website at www.vaishnu.com. Links for the products can be found in the description below. Wishing you a safe and happy driving experience.